At ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
For 9 years na magkakailala sila, nagsama sila, eventually they made up their mind to come here to the altar and offer themselves to God in prayer.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli
Okay,
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
Love, from the moment you came into my life, I knew there was something special about you. You are strong, passionate, and never afraid to speak your mind. And yes, sometimes a little short-tempered too. But even in those moments, I've seen how deeply you care, how fiercely you love, and how genuine your heart truly is.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagbabalik ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli
nandito na tayo. You know, love, I really prayed for someone like you na sobrang bait. Tapos, pinag-pray ko talaga kay Lord na bukod sa sobrang bait, pogi na engineer. Yes, very specific yung prayer ko kay Lord. Yung kaya kong i-handle yung ugali ko. And well, parang feeling ko talaga ang lakas ko kay Lord kasi natupad siya actually.
palagi.
And love, for 7 years, we've seen each other's at our best and at our worst. And I want you to know that I am proud of you, of every small wins, and every little step forward that you made. And I promise to be there with you, always and in always.
Nagtagpo ating mata, ilang beses huminti, buti ay di ako nakinig, tadhana nang bumulong sa'kin.
It challenged me to become better, to be more patient, more understanding, and more intentional. Life with you is never boring. It's full of laughter, lesson, and memories that I will forever treasure.
Ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata, pagmamahal sa'yo.
I promise na lagi kitang sasamahan when you crave for Vietnamese pho, kahit ayaw ko nung amoy nun. I promise to be your constant companion.
Basta't
to grow with you, learn from you, and to never stop choosing us.
Sa panahon ngayon na napakaraming ingay sa paligid at maraming tukso, lalo na tungkol sa third party, gusto ko lang malaman mo na sa bawat araw, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Ang dating pangarap ko nasa harapan na ngayon. Ilang beses humindi, buti di ka
To every season of life, I choose you, your strengths, your flaws, your beautiful heart, and everything that makes you uniquely you. Today and always, I'm proud to call you my wife. I love you.
Ipaglalaban ko, tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't andito lang ako sa tabi mo.
In order for you to sabihin man natin na magkaroon ng successful marriage, our Lord Jesus Christ offered Himself because of love. At dahil mahal niya tayo, sa pagsunod ninyo kay Kristo, sa wedding ninyo dito sa simbahang ito, sana pagmamahal din yung mangibabaw sa inyong dalawa.
Kahit walang hanggan ang pag-ibig niya.
Today, as we start a new chapter in our lives, I promise to stand beside you in every season of our life. Pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. I love you.
Hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal, hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.